The Ukrainian armed forces have increasingly relied on advanced air defense systems to counter the growing aerial threats posed by Russian forces, and one of the most noteworthy additions to their arsenal is the Polish Osa AKM P1 Żadlo. This system, a modernization of the classic Soviet OSA surface-to-air missile complex, has proven itself in active operations, demonstrating capabilities that extend beyond its originally specified parameters. Since its introduction in Ukraine in 2022, the OSA AKM P1 has been credited with neutralizing a wide spectrum of aerial targets, ranging from small kamikaze drones to manned aircraft, showcasing both the adaptability of the platform and the effectiveness of Ukrainian personnel in operating it under challenging combat conditions. The origin of the OSA AKM P1 Żadlo's deployment in Ukraine can be traced back to early 2022 when the former Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, Valery Zaluzny, publicly confirmed that Ukrainian units had received Polish air defense systems capable of intercepting Iranian Shahid-type drones. These drones, deployed by Russian forces, had become a persistent threat due to their low cost, maneuverability, and ability to strike strategic targets. While initially designed with Soviet-era missile technology, the OSA AKM P1 underwent several key upgrades in Poland before being handed over to Ukrainian forces. Among these enhancements are modern cameras with night vision capabilities, which significantly improve the system's operational performance during nighttime engagements, and an updated joystick-based control system that allows the Deputy Chief of Maintenance or other operators to manage the launcher directly from within the vehicle. This combination of sensor and control upgrades has provided Ukrainian crews with a decisive advantage in accurately detecting and engaging a wide range of aerial threats. Operators of the OSA AKM P1 have highlighted that the night vision upgrade is particularly transformative. Previously, crews could only rely on simple markings to track targets at night, limiting their ability to confirm the type and trajectory of the approaching threat. With the new cameras, Ukrainian soldiers can now distinguish between various drones and even identify aircraft types with precision. According to one Deputy Chief of Service, known by the call sign Fake, this upgrade enables the crew to quickly determine whether a detected target is a Shahid drone, an Orlan reconnaissance vehicle, or another type of aircraft, improving engagement accuracy and reducing the likelihood of missed interceptions. This enhanced situational awareness is critical in high-intensity conflict zones where seconds can determine the outcome of an engagement. The OSA AKM P1's official operational range is listed at approximately 10,000 to 10,300 meters, a limitation that has occasionally posed challenges in active combat. However, Ukrainian crews have demonstrated that, under urgent circumstances, the system can be pushed beyond its nominal limits. Reports indicate that missile launches have successfully intercepted targets at distances ranging from 10,500 to nearly 13,000 meters, although such extended range engagements are considered exceptions rather than standard practice. These instances illustrate both the urgency of battlefield conditions and the proficiency of Ukrainian operators, who can adjust firing solutions to achieve results that technically exceed the system's rated capabilities. It also reflects a broader trend in modern conflict where adaptability and operator skill often complement or even surpass the raw specifications of military hardware. The impact of the OSA AKM P1 Żadlo on the battlefield is substantial. Ukrainian crews have reportedly destroyed at least 140 aerial targets since the system's deployment, not including the initial losses inflicted during the first months of the Russian invasion in 2022. Among these confirmed kills are 2 Orlan reconnaissance and strike drones, a Su-23 aircraft, multiple Shahid drones, and several cruise missiles. In addition, other targets were damaged or forced to retreat, further demonstrating the system's role as a force multiplier within Ukrainian air defense units. These results are significant not only in terms of the raw numbers but also because they indicate a meaningful disruption of Russian aerial operations, particularly those that rely on unmanned systems for reconnaissance, artillery spotting, and precision strikes. Beyond its tactical impact, the OSA AKM P1 Żadlo has also introduced a new level of operational flexibility to Ukrainian air defense doctrine. Its mobility allows it to be rapidly deployed across different sectors of the front line, providing coverage where fixed installations would be impractical. The combination of modernized sensors, a flexible targeting interface, and the ability to engage multiple types of aerial threats makes it an effective multi-role asset. Ukrainian forces have leveraged these characteristics to protect both frontline troops and strategic infrastructure, ensuring that even high-value or high-risk zones can be shielded against a range of airborne attacks. The system's performance also underscores the importance of interoperability and modernization in contemporary air defense, showing how older platforms, when upgraded, can remain highly relevant on the modern battlefield. Operational lessons learned from the deployment of the OSA AKM P1 in Ukraine may have implications beyond the immediate conflict. Analysts note that the ability of a relatively compact, mobile system to engage targets at or beyond its design parameters challenges traditional assumptions about the limitations of short-range air defense. It demonstrates that with skilled operators, adequate training, and incremental upgrades, even legacy systems can achieve extraordinary results. The experience of Ukrainian crews in extending engagement ranges, managing complex airspace, and operating under combat stress provides valuable insights into the evolving nature of modern air defense, particularly in environments where unmanned systems and low-flying aircraft are prevalent. Moreover, the system's performance highlights a critical aspect of contemporary military strategy: the combination of technology, operator skill, and adaptability. While hardware specifications provide a baseline for performance expectations, real-world results often depend on how effectively a system is integrated into broader operational tactics. In Ukraine, the OSA AKM P1 Zadlo has become not merely a missile launcher but a central component of a layered defense network, interacting with radar units, surveillance systems, and command and control infrastructure to create a dynamic and responsive air defense capability. This integration maximizes the potential of each missile launch, ensuring that engagements are conducted efficiently and with a high probability of success. The success of the OSA AKM P1 Żadlo also underscores the strategic importance of international support and military cooperation. Polish assistance, which included both the provision of upgraded systems and the sharing of technical expertise, has materially enhanced Ukrainian capabilities. This partnership illustrates how targeted modernization programs, combined with training and logistical support, can have a profound impact on the effectiveness of frontline units, even in high-intensity conflict scenarios. The Ukrainian experience may serve as a case study for other nations seeking to bolster their air defense capabilities using upgraded or modernized platforms without necessarily relying solely on entirely new systems. In conclusion, the deployment of the Polish Osa AKM P1 Żadlo in Ukraine represents a noteworthy example of how modernized air defense systems can shape the dynamics of contemporary warfare. Its combination of mobility, enhanced targeting sensors, joystick-based control, and exceptional operator proficiency has allowed Ukrainian forces to counter a diverse array of aerial threats effectively. The system's ability to engage targets beyond its nominal range, coupled with its high success rate in intercepting drones, cruise missiles, and aircraft, demonstrates the value of integrating upgraded legacy systems into a broader defensive strategy. As the conflict continues, the performance of the Osa AKM P1 Zadlo highlights both the evolving nature of air defense and the critical role of adaptability, skill, and international cooperation in sustaining operational effectiveness under modern combat conditions.